Hello everyone. This is a lecture series on PostgreSQL and the current topic is connect to PostgreSQL on Windows using SQl Shell and pgAdmin. Just remember this is lecture number 3 given by Shanaz Malik. And to all of you, know that you're watching Data Analytics Professionals. And to start with this exercise in hand, please go to Start menu and start with SQL Shell. Okay, and let's do it. So I'm going to start shell, and here is my PostgreSQL stuff. These are the tools which we are going to use, but you might not have these here. So to bring them in a start menu, all you need to go is search and just say PSQL. Right, PSQL, and you'll get this SQL Shell PSQL. Then right click on it, and I have an option unpin from the start. You should get pin from the start. Let me show you how. So if I unpin it, so it goes back. Okay, it's erased from here. Now if I say right click on it and say pin to start, it will come somewhere here. Okay, it will come somewhere here, and I will then fix it into the group where I would like it to be. Once I have this, you can click it from here, or again you can go and you can directly click basically from here. You don't need it in a start menu. This is my way of working. So if you see this server localhost, everything is okay in, and everything has been done in previous exercise as needed. So here we are going to just connect to the server which is on the local host. So I'm going to say enter. Database, it is a default database which is Postgres. Okay, and I'm going to say again enter. I'm going to hit enter on the keyboard. Again port 5432. Okay, that's the port where it was being connected to. Okay, again I'm hitting enter on my keyboard, and username again is Postgres. Okay, for simplicity. So again I'm hitting enter on the keyboard, and here's the password which we created in lecture number 2 for super user. Here you have to give that password. I'm going to give my one. Okay, I don't know what password you have kept. Okay, you have to be very careful. You type that in, it's not going to show, but when you type in and hit enter, this is what it's going to show you. If you see the Postgres equal and this sign, hash sign, it means you are already in PostgreSQL. Okay, so if you for example saying type help, if you type help and say enter, you are using PSQL, the command line interface to PostgreSQL. Okay, so this is all good. So it's showing that we are connected, and this is the way we connect using this shell. Okay, SQL Shell. Now if I do \q and I'm going to say enter, please press any key to enter, and that's it. Then let me show you now the other tool, which is graphical user interface tool for this software. And again I have it here, and if you don't have it there, and you shouldn't, you go into search and just write pgAdmin, and if while you have written pga, it should already pop up. Okay, a good thing is just write pgAdmin and it's there. Again click on from there, and here it is. It's opening, loading for me because I have loaded it previously. So you should get a screen whereby it's showing you please provide the password. You have to provide the same password, okay, which you provided at before in lecture number 2. That is the password. Once you enter that password, you will get this server. Okay, so if you see, we are connected to this server. Okay, PostgreSQL 12. And database, if you remember, I said the database for the default is Postgres. Okay, and you see here we have Here, casts, catalogs, event triggers, extensions, foreign data wrappers, languages, schemas, and logins, group roles. Okay, if you see, we have all these roles here, and it has a table space. So it's a lot to learn. Okay, you can see here's the dashboard, properties, SQL queries, statistics. Okay, and I'll show you all this in the coming lectures. Okay, and nothing is difficult if you follow step-by-step process. Okay, so these are the tools. Okay, query tools and backups. I will show you all this, most of the stuff. We will what's required from beginners into intermediate and going into expert level. We will cover all that. And with that, I would like to bring your attention to my next slide. Okay, so the next slide is, please subscribe if you haven't until now, because subscription is important to be on the YouTube for if you would like me to continue making these wonderful lectures for all of you guys. And please hit the notification bell, so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new videos, so that you don't have to search. For those who don't know this, subscription, okay, if you subscribe, okay, you will then be in communicate you can be in communication with me through various means, and subscription gives me also a rating in YouTube. Now also, bell icon, if you click this bell icon, okay, which is on the your YouTube, okay, once you click this bell icon, you have to click it only once. Okay, then what happens basically, you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. You'll have kind of notification that I have uploaded a video, and when you have time, you can go and then watch those videos, so you don't need to search every time. And with that, I hope to see all of you in next video, and thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. And remember, sharing this video is caring for me and caring for all others. And with that, it is time to say goodbye.